Welcome to 2 minutes of wasting absolutely no food. I promise to take only 2 minutes of your time and make delicious food and maybe show you cute little bunnies if you promise to not waste food this Easter. Today we're making leftover roast with the most. More specifically, leftover lamb tacos. So we're using leftover lamb roast from last night. So we're saving time, we're saving money, and we're not wasting food. We are leaving no food behind. So it's win, 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 win. And first up, we're gonna start with the onions. Into the pan with a little bit of oil. We're saving time today. So while our onions fry, we're gonna prep our tortillas. All you're gonna take is a cookie cutter and your tortilla and cut little circles out of it. Don't worry, we're not wasting any of the outside bits. You're gonna take it, put some olive oil on it, pop it in the oven, and it crisps up. You can use it as croutons, or you can even use it as like nachos. So no wastage, remember. Look, that's our taco. That's what's gonna hold all the good stuff. Okay, the onions are looking delish. Now, let's shred up that leftover lamb. A tip is take your lamb out just a little bit before you're gonna use it so it can kind of come to room temperature. Not in like a dangerous health safety way, but like just so it can warm up slightly so it's not icy fridge cold, because it's easier to shred and pull apart with your two forks. Okay, now that the lamb is all shredded and our onions are pretty much done, we're gonna add our seasoning. I'm using Knorr mild Durban curry. Durban because I'm from Durban, and Durban curry because I need a little bit of heat and spice. We're making tacos after all, you gotta have some spice. So that goes straight into the pan with my special ingredient, some OJ and then some water. And that's gonna make the sauce. It's gonna be delicious and amazing, and then we add our lamb to it. Ooh, look, and now instantly the sauce starts getting like thick and delicious. Time to add our leftover lamb. And that is it. Lamb is done. We're just warming it up. That's all you're trying to achieve. It's gonna take on all that delicious sauce and it's gonna be the best filling ever. Now all we need to do is our salsa that goes on top, maybe mash up some guac and then assemble. Okay, now lastly, we just need to toast these up just a little bit. You don't want to over toast them, otherwise they're gonna get rock hard. And then some chili, fresh chilies to your taste. Taco, leftover roast with the most. Lamb tacos, delicious. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you do with your leftovers. Or if you want me to tell you what to do with them. I'm happy to give advice and ideas. And head over to my Instagram for step-by-step on how to do this again and for some cool images. Claire_Winston. What about hypnotizing people to start saving more food and wasting less, like a hypnosis of the close encounters of the bunny kind, something like that. That'll get people to save more food, right? Right? Bunnies. That's the bunnies. Cue the bunny. Easter is about bunnies and abundance of leftovers that you're not going to waste and you're going to make delicious things with.